To redact documents on a Mac, you can do it all in the native Preview app. No third-party apps needed. But there's a couple of important things to be aware of. Let's say I'm redacting a PDF document. I'll open this in the Preview app. If yours doesn't automatically open in the Preview app, you can always right-click the file and choose Open With, and then point it to the Preview app. Now, within the Preview app, we're going to be using the Markup tools. You can show and hide the Markup tools by clicking the little pen-looking icon on the top of your window. The Markup tools allow you to add highlights, text, lines, boxes, scribble, pretty much any type of marking you can imagine. But here's the important part. Even though the Markup tools allow you to make something like a black box over your document, that's not a safe way to redact files. It'll even tell you that if you're trying to do it. The content behind the box will not be deleted, and someone could simply click and drag over the box to copy the text and then paste it to another document. You'll see if I sort of click and drag over my box, a text selection is made. Because PDFs have multiple layers, and having that box above my text doesn't actually delete the text. When I remove the box, you'll see the text was discovered, highlighted, and ready to get copied to another document. For a proper, safe way to redact files, there's a dedicated redaction tool, and you'll find it towards the left side of your Markup tools. When you use the redaction tool, you'll see a black box appear with an X on it. When you hover over the selection, you'll be able to double-check and see what exactly was redacted. For now. But once the document is saved and you close the window, that redaction will fully kick in. The text below will literally be removed from the file's code, and there's no way to bring it back. So, make your redactions, save the file, and close the window. After that, you can open the file and you'll see all that text is redacted and impossible to see. You can try highlighting it or using Command+F to search for those words, but they won't show up. If you're working with a file like PNG or JPG, the rules are slightly different. These file types won't usually give you the redaction tool in the Markup toolbar, and there's a technical reason for that. These file types have a single layer of pixels, which means drawing a black box over it and then saving it actually destroys the pixels underneath. Unlike a PDF, which has layers, where text can hide behind a box, a flattened, still image is much safer to redact with standard Markup tools. So, when working with a PDF or other multi-layered documents, you'll want to make sure to use proper redactions. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, TIFF files, these can all have layers. If needed, you can export them to PDF first, and then follow the steps I showed in the beginning.